Market analysis: how to predict the cryptocurrency market. Predicting the cryptocurrency market is a difficult task due to its high volatility and chaotic nature. However, by using various analysis methods, it is possible to gain some understanding of future trends and make more informed trades. There are two main approaches to cryptocurrency market analysis. Fundamental analysis. This method focuses on evaluating the intrinsic value of a cryptocurrency based on fundamental factors such as its technology, development team, use cases, and adoption. Technical analysis. This method focuses on examining past price charts and patterns to predict future price movements. Here are some resources to help you with cryptocurrency market analysis. Cryptocurrency news and analysis websites such as CoinMarketCap, CoinDesk, and Cointelegraph provide news and information on the cryptocurrency market. Charting and analysis tools, such as TradingView and Chaikin Analytics, allow you to examine price charts and use technical indicators to analyze data. Online groups and forums, such as Reddit and Telegram, are places to discuss the cryptocurrency market with other traders and get insights and opinions. Remember that there is no surefire way to predict cryptocurrency prices. Always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency and be aware of the risks involved. Here are some additional tips for predicting the cryptocurrency market. Pay attention to market sentiment. The overall mood of the market can have a big impact on cryptocurrency prices. Be aware of key events. Events such as hard forks and new token launches can impact cryptocurrency prices. Manage your risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose and use stop-loss orders to limit your losses. Finally, remember that the cryptocurrency market is still in its early stages and is highly volatile. Be sure to do your research and be aware of the risks involved before investing.